Have you ever wondered what the term life partner truly means? Is it the same as marriage, or does it carry its own unique weight? The answer might surprise you. It's much more than a modern relationship buzzword. Today, we're diving into what makes a life partner different from a spouse, the legal rights you need to know, and why more couples, married or not, are embracing the term partner in this ever-changing world of love and relationships. A life partner isn't just a term for dating couples or casual relationships. It's a bond, one that often signifies a lifetime commitment between two people. Whether it's two people of the same sex or opposite sex, the term goes beyond traditional labels. This is about emotional, psychological, and sometimes legal ties that keep people together, whether they choose to marry or not. In a world where romantic norms are constantly evolving, the concept of a life partner is growing in popularity. But here's where it gets interesting. While many people in life partnerships live together, they may choose not to get married, and some even prefer it that way. So why is this happening? And what does it mean for the future of relationships? A life partner refers to someone with whom you're committed to sharing your life, emotionally and often financially. While the term might be commonly associated with same-sex couples, it's increasingly used by heterosexual couples who either don't want to marry or wish to avoid the traditional roles often linked to marriage. But here's where it gets even more interesting. While marriage might still be the end game for some, others are finding fulfillment in life partnerships. Whether it's due to personal beliefs, finances, or past experiences with marriage, the decision to be life partners instead of spouses is growing in acceptance. Let's explore the differences and the similarities between these two concepts. Marriage, with its centuries-old traditions, comes with a defined set of expectations. You have the wedding, the legal benefits, and the societal recognition. But what about life partners? While a married couple has certain legal rights, like tax benefits, shared property, and decisions on medical emergencies, life partners might not always be afforded these same privileges. Life partners, especially those who are unmarried, often have to navigate the legal system differently. In countries like the US, France, Sweden, and Denmark, life partnerships are sometimes recognized through civil unions or domestic partnerships. These arrangements offer similar, though not identical, rights to marriage, from hospital visitations to property and asset division in case of separation. Let's get real for a moment. In many places, life partners have to go the extra mile to ensure they're protected. This can mean signing legal documents, setting up wills, and making sure that if something happens, both partners are taken care of. While civil unions and domestic partnerships offer some protection, they often lack the federal recognition that marriage provides. For same-sex couples, before same-sex marriage was legalized in the U.S., civil unions were a common legal workaround. These unions gave couples certain rights, but still fell short of full equality with marriage. Even today, civil unions and domestic partnerships vary by country, state, and even city, making it essential for life partners to know their legal standing wherever they live. Now, here's a twist you may not expect. While life partnerships are most often associated with romantic couples, they can also describe deeply connected platonic relationships. That's right. Life partners don't always have to be romantically involved. Some people find lifelong companionship and support in friendships. And in some places, they can even legalize this bond through domestic partnership agreements. In recent years, the term partner has become a preferred choice for many couples, both married and unmarried. Why? It's gender-neutral and inclusive. When someone refers to their partner, it doesn't immediately give away details about their relationship, which can be important for same-sex couples or people who simply prefer privacy. But let's not romanticize it too much. Life partnerships, like marriages, come with their own set of challenges. Without the legal framework that marriage provides, life partners can face difficulties, especially when it comes to things like inheritance rights, access to medical information, and even child custody if they're co-parenting. So, what's the solution? While life partners might face some legal roadblocks, there are ways to protect your relationship. From setting up powers of attorney and wills to consulting a family law attorney, life partners can establish legal protections that work for them. Some states also offer common law marriage, giving life partners the same rights as married couples, without the formal wedding ceremony. In the end, whether you call each other life partners, spouses, or something else entirely, what matters most is the love, trust, and commitment you share. But understanding your rights and the potential challenges is crucial to protecting what you've built together. Whether you're considering a life partnership or marriage, it's important to make informed choices that reflect your values and goals as a couple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more relationship advice and insights, and hit the bell to get notified every time we post. And hey, what are your thoughts on life partnerships? Let's talk in the comments.